What are some ways that people can make their home dementia friendly?
Yeah, I'll just pick out a couple of things, like light switches. If you think of like the normal flip switch to us might be easy because we still have our fine dexterity with our fingers, but for them, it could be difficult, or they don't even remember which light switch works what. So putting like a Post-it on it. This is, the light for this room, or like stickers makes it easier for them to know. It's just something simple. Getting rid of rugs. Rugs are a huge fall risk. We don't want rugs in the home. We want to reduce their, fall risk. Lots of natural light. It's easier on their eyes. It makes them feel calmer. Just the more light you have, the better. And like at night, maybe having those little like sensor lights on your stairs that come on when they sense motion, that helps them know where they need to go, reduces their fall risk, and they can see. Because a lot of times when they're in these stages of dementia, they have visual difficulties, there are changes in their visions, and like color variety. Bright color throws and linens and things that they can see make it easier if they're, paisley prints or checkered. That could be overwhelming to them. And just choosing bright, solid colors helps.
Okay. Yeah, I think those are all great tips. And in Val's book, she has so many examples. Mm-hmm. Yeah. I mean, pages and pages, depending on like what room in the house and, what the activity is. She really gives some great details and great ideas for how to do this, not just in the home, but really everything that we're going to be talking about today. She goes in a lot of detail and gives great tips and great ideas. So if you want more information, you're going to have to get her book to really dive deep and get some greater detail.